Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. So now we continue with 5.2 induced EMF. So learning outcome is explain what is induced EMF by using Faraday's experiment, and state use Faraday's law, and also about direction is Lenz's law to determine the direction of induced current. So Faraday's law states that the magnitude of the induced EMF is proportional to the rate of change of magnetic flux. Before this, we have learned about magnetic flux. Flux is equal to BA cos theta. So you have to changing B, A and cos theta will be constant, or you changing A, B and cos theta constant, or you change the angle cos theta, B and A will be constant. So you will get the induced EMF is that directly proportional with the change of magnetic flux. So you can write as EMF is equal to negative d flux per dt. Okay. Alright, so d flux is change of magnetic flux, dt is change of time, and EMF is induced EMF. Okay, the negative signs indicate that the direction of induced EMF is always opposed the change of magnetic flux producing it. So for the coil and turns, with n turns, you just add up with number of turns. So induced EMF is equal to negative n d flux per dt. So is also equal to negative n d flux mean change of flux. So flux final, so flux final minus flux initial divided by time. Okay, so when the magnetic flux increase, change of magnetic flux, the flux will be positive. So induced EMF will be negative because the opposite increasing of magnetic flux. When your magnetic flux is decreased, so the change of magnetic flux, the flux is negative. So induced EMF is positive because the opposite decreasing in magnetic flux. So nanti you masuk je nilai negatif. So kalau flux final you lebih besar daripada flux initial, so induced EMF you akan dapat negatif. Negatif bermaksud dia akan oppose increasing of magnetic flux. Okay, so Lenz itu adalah Faraday's law untuk kita dapatkan nilai magnitude of induced EMF. Okay, how about Lenz's law? Lenz's law is state that the induced electric current always flow in such a direction that it opposes the change producing it. So the law is essentially a form of the law of conservation of energy. So Lenz's law actually they show you about direction. So direction of induced current can be determined by using right hand grip rule. So now your thumb is represent direction of induced current, and the other finger is shown you a direction of induced magnetic field B.